So I am coming to you to show you my day 4 results with this beautiful coil out that I achieved using Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil line. Again, this is day 4 hair. Still loving my results. A little bit of frizz, definitely still a lot of definition. I think these finger coils will definitely be one of my go-to styles. So what I do at night is I take my Natural Oil Blends Lush Growth Oil by Luster's Pink and I put some on my fingertips. And then I give myself a scalp massage with the growth oil. Been using this for a couple of weeks now. It feels and smells amazing. Definitely been helping with my growth journey. So I'll rub that in and then I get my bonnet. Yes, I'm showing you my bonnet. Who gonna check me? Put my bonnet on and I go to sleep. Wake up in the morning, I take my bonnet off and I grab my hair is usually smashed down too. Grab my Luster's Pink Natural Oil Blends True Shine Oil Mist. This stuff is the truth. It definitely gives you shine and it gives your hair some moisture. So I rub that in my fingers and then I rub that on the length of my hair. I get that all in to give me some shine and some moisture. This stuff is so bomb. Then I just go through and I uncoil some of the larger pieces, and then any of the pieces that are a little frizzy, I just go through and recoil them around my finger. Do a little bit more separation. Again, this is day 4 hair. So do a little more separating, a little more fluffing. If necessary, I'll grab my pick and do a little fluffing at the roots just to give it a little more shape, a little more volume. Pretty simple, and this is my daily routine. Once I go through and give all my shape, I check my edges, see if they need a little help, which most times they don't, but if they do, I'll use my Luster's Pink Smooth and Hold Edge Gel. Put a little bit on my fingertips, rub it on the edges, and then I just use a small tooth comb to fix the edges, and that's it. Again, these finger coils are so bomb. I use the Luster's Pink Shea Butter and Coconut Oil line to do these coils. I use the leave-in, the twisting curl put-in, and I also use the curl definer. Definitely going to be one of my go-to styles for the summer. Held up very nicely. I'm very pleased. Very cute, low maintenance style. Could even be used as a protective style. Again, this style went 4 days and I probably actually could go even more. But I'm gonna get my hair ready for the work week. So yes, loving my finger coils. Thank you, Luster's Pink. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.